Good afternoon, everybody. This is Gary Pace, the Public Health Officer of Lake County. It's Wednesday, May 6th, and this is the coronavirus update. So at this point, we have 59,000 cases in California, 2,400 deaths. It's continuing to rise slowly and consistently, but it's not taking off like we were worried about in the future. In Sonoma County, there are 272 cases now. They're continuing to have some new ones every day. We have 8 cases total in Lake County now. The most recent case was somebody in the jail who was picked up during surveillance testing, and we are working closely with the sheriff now to try to make sure that there's not been spread among any other people in there. Anybody who's been in contact with this person is now isolated, and everybody seems to be doing fine. So we definitely get concerned when there's the possibility of an outbreak in the jail, but we're working hard with the sheriff to try to contain it. So the thing we're all talking about these days is opening and relaxing of the restrictions. The governor came out with some orders earlier this week that he's ready to change and allow everybody to move into phase 2. Probably that will happen on Friday. We're still awaiting the specific orders and the specific guidance. To move into phase 2 means that certain businesses can open up now that have been closed. Most retail businesses can open up if they do curbside pickup. They're not able to have people come into the stores now, but having people call in or do something online and then pick up on a curbside pickup is going to be allowed starting probably Friday, depending on when his order comes out. The next question for everybody is about the lake. We're planning on relaxing the restrictions on the lake pretty soon. One of the big things that we're worried about is a lot of people coming in from out of the area, so we're trying to figure out ways to limit that to some extent. Certainly under the governor's orders, non-essential travel is still going to be prohibited, but we know that some people will probably be coming up then anyhow. So we're meeting today to try to talk about this some more and make some plans about when to open and what exactly that's going to look like. And then the third part of this is going to be that the governor did offer an opportunity for some counties to have a more accelerated opening through phase 2. So the first step is on Friday when we move into phase 2. Then moving through the phase, we can separate out. So the counties that have more infection can go slower, the counties with less infection can go faster. There's going to be a lot of benchmarks that have to be made, and the different businesses will have to have plans of ways to open that keep the people that work there and the people that come to shop at the business or do business there to keep everybody safe. Those guidelines are still not out yet, and so we're going to set up a plan, and we're working on a way to roll that out so that this can be done safely in the county. Some of the mandatory things that need to be in place from the governor's point of view is a high level of testing, a high level of ability to trace the contacts, and stable cases. We have all of those met except for the testing right now, and we're working to get that fixed. We've got more supplies in the county now, and so people are able to test more regularly, and we just yesterday started our first drive-through testing site. 40 people got tested yesterday, and it went well. We have another one set up for tomorrow. Next week we have a couple more. After that, we're trying to set up a whole site with the state so that we can have it every day of the week. If you have any questions or you want to get an appointment, go to the web page and sign up. You need to have an appointment to come get it. So thank you very much for all your cooperation, and we'll see you next time.